Easy homemade dumplings. Hey everyone! In this video, you will learn how to make delicious dumplings at home super easy. I'll also share tips to avoid common mistakes and some smart kitchen hacks to make the process even smoother. Let's get cooking. Ingredients for 20 to 25 dumplings. For the dough, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup warm water, a pinch of salt. For the filling, 200 g minced meat, chicken, pork, or beef, 1 cup finely chopped cabbage or bok choy, 2 to 3 chopped green onions, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ginger, minced, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Dumpling time. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Make the dough. In a bowl, mix the flour and salt. Gradually add warm water and knead until a smooth, soft dough forms. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Here's what can go wrong when you're preparing your dumpling dough. Mistake: dough is too dry or too sticky. Fix: gradually add water while kneading. Dough should be soft but not sticky. Resting the dough for 30 minutes helps elasticity. Mistake: dough is not rested. Fix: resting allows gluten to relax, making rolling easier. Skip resting, dough tears easily. Step 2. Prepare the filling. In a bowl, combine minced meat, chopped vegetables, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Mix thoroughly until well combined. Step 3. Shape the dumplings. Roll the dough into a long cylinder and cut into small pieces, about 1 inch each. Flatten each piece into a round disc using your hands or a rolling pin. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each disc. Fold the dough over and pinch the edges to seal. Shape as a half moon or pleated style. Here's what can go wrong when you're making your dumpling filling. Mistake: overfilling the dumplings. Fix: use a small spoonful of filling. Too much dumplings burst during cooking. Mistake: filling is too wet. Fix: drain excess liquid from vegetables or squeeze cabbage. Too wet dumplings become soggy. Mistake: not seasoning the filling properly. Fix: taste a small portion of the filling, cooked in a pan, before making dumplings. Adjust salt, soy sauce, or spices. Here's what can go wrong when you're shaping your dumplings. Mistake: dumplings not sealed properly. Fix: pinch edges tightly and add a little water on the edge to help seal. Poor sealing filling leaks while cooking. Mistake: uneven dough thickness. Fix: roll discs evenly. Thick edges chewy, thin edges tearing. Step 4. Cook the dumplings. Option A. Boil. Boil water in a pot. Add dumplings and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until they float. Cooking mistakes. Mistake: boiling dumplings too fast or overcrowding the pot. Fix: boil gently and leave space for dumplings to float freely. Option B. Steam. Line a steamer with parchment paper. Place dumplings in the steamer and steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Mistake: steaming dumplings directly on the tray without parchment. Fix: line steamer with parchment or cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. Option C. Pan fry, pot stickers. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons oil in a non-stick pan. Place dumplings in the pan and fry until the bottoms are golden. Add a 1/4 cup water, cover, and steam for 5 to 7 minutes until cooked. Cooking mistakes: pan frying without enough water for steaming. Fix: add water and cover the pan to cook dumplings through, otherwise, bottoms burn and tops stay raw. Now your dumplings are ready, soft, juicy, and full of flavor. Enjoy your homemade creation. Step 5. Serve. Serve hot with soy sauce, chili oil, or vinegar dipping sauce. Here's what can go wrong when you're serving your dumplings. Mistake. Serving cold dumplings. Fix. Serve immediately while hot for best texture and flavor. Your support means a lot. Hit like, comment, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering dishes. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.